How to make a vegan pavlova. This pavlova contains no traces of any animal products whatsoever. It's 100% vegan and 100% animal cruelty free. This vegan pavlova is the perfect dessert to have this Christmas. Simply follow the step-by-step instructions. In a large mixing bowl, add the following: half a cup of reduced aquafaba, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon xanthan gum, 1 teaspoon cream of tartar. Use an electric whisk to mix. Add half a cup superfine sugar. Continue mixing until it becomes thick, pale, and frothy. Line a baking tray with baking paper. Pour the mixture onto the lined baking tray. Bake in a fan-forced oven at 110 degrees Celsius for 2 hours. That looks awful. Let's give it a taste. Yuck! This vegan pavlova tastes like horse shit. Let's make it normally instead. Thoroughly clean out your bowl. 6 egg whites, 1 tablespoon corn flour, 1 teaspoon xanthan gum, 1 teaspoon cream of tartar. Use an electric whisk to mix. Mix. Pour the mixture onto the lined baking tray. That's more like it. Now it's time to decorate the pavlova. Coat in whipped cream, raspberries, blueberries, strawberries, kiwi fruit. Passion fruit pulp. And finally, garnish with mint. That's perfect! It's cooked and decorated perfectly. The perfect dessert for you to enjoy this Christmas with your family and friends. Merry Christmas, everyone! Enjoy!